Sure. We see math as equation on a board, grids on a paper, but it's far more. Math is the recipe in your kitchen, the rhythm in your music, the distance your GPS calculates while you're half asleep in the backseat.
But sometimes math sneaks out, not to only make the life easier, but to save it. It becomes a language, a lifesaver, a decision maker.
In 1983, Air Canada Flight 143 ran out of fuel at 41,000 feet. An error in converting liters to gallons caused the plane to be loaded with half the needed fuel. The pilot calculated a glide ratio of 12:1. They used proportional reasoning and basic trigonometry to decide how far they could glide. They identified an old military airfield within this radius and executed a perfect landing without engines.
No computer, no power, just math and courage. Kept 69 passengers alive that day.
During World War II, Nazi Germany sent encrypted orders using the Enigma machine. Each day settled had a large amount of combinations. Mathematicians like Alan Turing used permutation theory to model rotor positions. He applied Boolean logic to rule out impossible combinations, used frequency analysis. Certain letter pairs were statistically more likely in German. He built an early computer, the bomb, to narrow billions of settings into probable confluence, reducing days of decoding to hours.
With math as their weapon, they successfully decoded the Nazi communication. Historians say it shortened the war by 34 years. Once upon a time, smallpox killed millions, but scientists decided to stop it by using mathematical models.
The SIR model divides a population into susceptible, infected, and recovered. Differential equations describe how people move between these groups. Equations predicted how outbreaks grow and how ring vaccination could cut off the spread by immunizing only people around new cases.
Instead of vaccinating billions, they vaccinated the right millions. By 1980s, the smallpox was gone. 2020, the world faced a new enemy. But this time, we had math on our side by the first day.
Epidemiologists used real-time data to estimate R0 and predict outbreaks. Flattering the curve was about lowering the peak, using calculus to integrate patients' load and logistic curves to simulate slowdown after containment.
This math guided lockdowns, testing zones, and vaccine strategies. It not only predicted the future, but also gave us time to change it.
So today, the world is facing a great problem again, and that is
Stuck in traffic again? Every day, lots of our times are wasted on the roads due to traffic jam. But what if I told you, not a magic, but math is the only way who can solve the problem of traffic jam? From Google Maps to traffic lights, math is behind all of them. Today, I'll show you guys exactly how. A route from point A to B, it's like solving a graph problem. Want to find the quickest path? Use algorithm. This is how delivery services like Amazon, FedEx, and Swiggy plan their routes efficiently.
a city can be seen as a graph of states, of nodes which is intersection, connected by edges which is roads. A route from a graph G equals V E, where V is verticals, E equals edges, which is roads with weights like time or distance. Traffic light is a queuing system. Cross arrive, wait, then move. Here, math helps determine. It controls how long the light stays red or green, how many lanes are needed at a junction, and which roads should get priority. Cities today use real-time optimization powered by math and AI. Linear programming and interprogramming help to minimize congestion, maximize fuel efficiency, and design public transport routes. In the future, self-driving cars will communicate using real-time math models. Autonomous vehicles will form dynamic networks, constantly adjusting using game theory and control systems. Cities will become living organisms, optimized through continuous equations.
So next time you're in traffic jam, remember, math might be the only reason you're moving at all. From ancient era to modern era, math is the only bridge from problems to solution. And as our world is getting complex day by day, the power of math is getting even more important.